Hi, this is Carolyn Elephant of MyShingle.com and welcome to day 3 of your new law practice. Now, some of you may have taken a book of business with you when you started your firm, and if that's the case, you've hit the ground running, so congratulations. But for the rest of you who are building a firm from the ground up, you may be wondering where your first client is coming from, and so this advice is for you. So, by now, I am sure you've read a million books and blog posts on the importance of networking, joining bar associations and getting out there to meet people and giving out your business card. And that's great advice. You should continue to do that. But the problem is it can take a while for the benefits of those networking efforts to trickle back to you. So what I have found to be the most effective and quickest way to get benefits from networking events is this. Let's say you have started a family law practice. Why not call some of the more prominent family law attorneys in your community, certainly ones who have small firms, and introduce yourself by phone or by email. Tell them that you're starting a firm, you really admire their work, and you'd like to get together and talk to them and see if there's any way that you can help them. The same approach works with complementary practice areas. If you're doing family law, maybe you can contact somebody who is doing estate planning or who is involved in bankruptcy cases where there may be family law issues that could come up too. Make the introduction and ask if you can meet with them. Now, instead of asking to take them to lunch or for coffee, what you do is offer to meet them on their turf. Offer to come to their office for about 20 minutes and promise that you won't take up a lot of time, and then offer to bring some coffee or bring lunch or snacks. Chances are they have those amenities at their office anyway, but by making the offer, you're showing your appreciation, and honestly, it kind of makes you stand out because a lot of attorneys really aren't that considerate of others' time. After you've gone to their office, you can get to talking about the work that they're doing, and maybe you'll see an opportunity where you can offer to help them. For example, if they are working on an article, you can offer to do some of the writing for it. If they're handling certain cases and they seem to have too much work to do, you can tell them that you're willing to do work on a contract basis. In many cases, lawyers who hire contract attorneys directly will pay a decent rate, not the $18 an hour that you typically get from document review. So by going out and making these meetings, not only do you have an opportunity to get referrals from those attorneys, but you may also get contract work from them. After the meeting, of course, follow up with a thank you note and try to keep in touch every month or so. But I guarantee within 6 weeks, you'll hear back from these lawyers, and it will either be in the form of sending you a referral or retaining you for some contract projects. This is Carolyn Elephant of MyShingle.com. I hope you found that advice useful, and if you did, please visit our blog.